Good morning. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast, SOS.com. The circus is no place for wild animals. Animals like lions and monkeys are confined to barren cages, trucked from town to town, and forced to perform unnatural and demeaning tricks in the name of entertainment. These exquisite animals are sentenced to a life of boredom, confinement, and awful stress. Please never support cruel animal circuses. Contact your local municipality and ask them to join the compassionate lead of 22 states to ban circus animals from performing. Hashtag compassion. Hashtag save nature now. Hashtag love nature. Hashtag love is the solution. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listener. Come on to drreese.com, Reese, REESE.com, and make it happen by clicking on the donate button, or pick yourself up any number of cool books on bees, trees, seas, and wild weather. drreese.com. Just do it. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.